Sin versus Unleashed 2025. Which inventory management software is best for you? Most people get inventory software wrong by assuming all platforms handle stock the same, but in 2025, Sin and Unleashed target different business needs. You won't believe what happens next. Choosing the right software can streamline operations and save thousands in inventory costs. Sin is a cloud-based inventory and POS solution ideal for retailers and wholesalers. Its strengths include multi-channel integration, real-time inventory tracking, and order management. The surprising truth is its built-in features for e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and WooCommerce make it perfect for businesses selling both online and offline. Unleashed, on the other hand, is highly focused on manufacturers and distributors. It excels in batch tracking, raw material management, and production workflows. Its analytics provide insights on stock turnover, margins, and product performance, helping businesses optimize supply chains. Pricing differs too. Sin tends to be more expensive but offers a comprehensive all-in-one platform, whereas Unleashed is more affordable for businesses primarily managing production inventory. Both integrate with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, but your choice depends on whether you need retail and e-commerce support or manufacturing-focused features. In conclusion, in 2025, choose Sin if your business operates in multi-channel retail and needs a robust POS integrated inventory system. Choose Unleashed if you manufacture or distribute products and need detailed production and stock management. Understanding your business type and workflow requirements is key to selecting the right inventory software.